Hey everyone, and welcome to this video. So it's going to be very quick. I'm just going to show you how to clip out segments of your video and delete them or move them to other areas of your video on Filmora 9 Wondershare. Alright, so really quick, you'll just select anywhere in the video. Just make sure if you have to zoom in, just do that on the right side here, just to make sure you pick the right piece. You should see something like a scissors here. You can click here, or you can go over here and click the scissors over here, and it'll chop right there. And what's important to note is that if you have something underneath it or on top of it, and you don't want to clip all of it at once by clicking here, you want to make sure you just highlight exactly what you want to clip, and then it'll just clip that area. So if I want to clip out this piece, I'll just get to the other end of it in the middle of the video, click there, and boom, you just select the piece that you cropped, hit delete, and it's gone. If you don't want to delete it necessarily, what you can do is just pick it up and drag it somewhere else. Yeah, so that's pretty much it.